Hi, I am Don Kim, a Korean hand therapy specialist and acupuncturist in New Zealand. In this video, I will explain 1. What self-treatment is. 2. What Korean hand therapy is. 3. Why Korean hand therapy is so effective for most conditions. And 4. How self-treatment with Korean hand therapy compares to professional treatment. First, what is self-treatment? Self-treatment means learning how to improve your own condition and applying it yourself. It involves simple, safe techniques you can do at home. In essence, self-treatment is about learning personalized methods from the expert, applying them for pain, injuries, chronic issues, or even difficult conditions, and taking control of your own health with safe and effective techniques. In Korea and other parts of Asia, self-treatment is common. In the West, however, it's still unfamiliar and many people hesitate to try it. But the truth is, 1. Anyone can do it. 2. It has no side effects or danger. And 3. It is economical and very effective. And second, what is Korean hand therapy? As you see here, according to Korean hand therapy, one hand represents the entire body. The palm side, the front side of the body, including all organs, and back side, back of the body. It is easy to learn, safe, and economical. And believe it or not, you can improve a wide range of conditions from muscular problems to even cancer. How? Just by stimulating the points on the hands, like palm side here, and also the dorsal side here. And after nearly 40 years of experience, I'm convinced that the Korean hand therapy is not only the best self-treatment method, but also the best single treatment modality I have ever seen. And third, why is Korean hand therapy so effective? Many people see amazing results from just one session. Even some professionals like doctors and acupuncturists change their careers to Korean hand therapy practitioners. And you may wonder, what makes Korean hand therapy so powerful? Unfortunately, the reason why Korean hand therapy is such powerful is not found in the books nor taught by Korean hand therapy teachers. After decades of research and clinical experience, I have identified 5 key reasons. Let me share the top 2. Reason 1, the brain connection. As you see here, about 80 to 85% of the cerebral cortex is connected to the hands. Stimulating hand acupoints directly affects the brain. which then influences the related part of the body. That's why we often see instant results, like fixing a sprained ankle or thigh in just one session, or even resolving 30-year-old stubborn sciatica after just 2 treatments. And reason 2, treating the untreatable. Quite often, the best treatment point is at the site of the problem. But in many cases, you can't treat it directly. You see one example here, an ovarian cyst. With other modalities, they can't directly treat the cyst. But with Korean hand therapy, we can find this corresponding point on the hand and safely stimulate it with excellent results. These 2 reasons alone explain why Korean hand therapy is so powerful, effective, and unique. And 4, self-treatment with Korean hand therapy versus professional treatment. Here's a personal story. I studied political science originally, but after spraining my ankle and fixing it with just one simple Korean hand therapy session, I began to learn it seriously. Even before becoming an acupuncturist, I helped many people with conditions beyond the capacity of practitioners. For example, a pregnant woman was told to abort because her fetus was surrounded by cysts. Desperate, she tried Korean hand therapy. To everyone's surprise, she gave birth to a healthy baby, and the cysts disappeared. Over the decades, I have seen many difficult conditions improve with self-treatment using Korean hand therapy, many of which practitioners could hardly improve. That's why I created a program called the Tailored Self-Treatment Plan, which is introduced in my website here, selftreatment.co.nz. This unique program will likely be the only one of its kind in the world. Here, I teach people how to improve their conditions themselves easily, safely, and effectively. From pain to even cancer, I have seen people benefit greatly from this unique approach. I will talk more about this plan in another video. Yes, Korean hand therapy is something anyone can learn and use safely. It empowers you to treat your condition or your families yourself more effectively and economically than most professional treatments can. If you have any questions, please email me at oawcentre, CENTRE, @gmail.com. Thank you for watching.